Hello. My name is Angelica Torres. I'm a developer advocate here at Retool, and today I'll be showing you how to use your existing resources with Retool's new AI App Gen capabilities. The key to leveraging your existing data would be to use the at symbol. So if I go over here into the bottom left corner, I'll click on the Assist tab. From there, if I type in the at symbol, it will show you a drop down of connected resources like Databricks, Salesforce, OpenAI, GraphQL, and many more that you have connected. But watch this. I'll type in use at Retool database the book inventory table and visualize the data in order to show the quantity of books available. Watch what happens here. The AI immediately understands which specific database to work with and starts building queries based on your actual schema and data structures, which is pretty cool. It works for other types, like watch this. Use at Google Maps to search for coffee shops within 0.5 miles of the Flatiron building. Return a table with name, address, category, distance, rating. Sort by rating descending. The AI adapts to each platform's specific capabilities and data structure. The best part is that Retool reuses your organization's existing shared queries and components when generating apps. So if your team is already using some trusted logic for calculating customer lifetime value or formatting dates, the AI will use those in order to prove patterns instead of creating anything from scratch. And there you have it. That is the power of the app, which allows you to have instant access to real data using AI that understands your actual schema and business logic. Just remember, is using the at followed by the name of the resource. Be sure to be specific and just let the AI handle the technical details. So thank you so much for watching. Now see you next time.